Are you having a Nintendo Switch error? A server communication has occurred? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the Nintendo Switch and the router or modem. This error message and error codes may indicate an issue with the DNS used, or that the connection timed out. These errors may be the result of a slow internet connection, wireless interference, or a weak wireless signal from the router. So, whenever you get these kind of errors, first of all, restart the Nintendo Switch. A simple restart can often help fix temporary glitches. Begin by powering down your Nintendo Switch. To do this, press and maintain pressure on the power button until the device shuts off. Next, switch off your router or modem. Remove all power cables connected to these devices as well as from their power source. Wait for a few minutes before reconnecting the power cords. Turn on your router or modem first, followed by your Nintendo Switch. This process can resolve many common issues by refreshing the system's connection. Method 2. Check Nintendo server status. You can also check the Nintendo server status from the Twitter handle or the official website. If there is any problem on the Nintendo server side, then you can check it from here. In case you find the server is down, wait for some time till everything gets back to normal. If you get a Nintendo error after that, then proceed with the next methods. Method 3. Check your internet. Make sure you are connected to a 5 GHz signal instead of 2.4 GHz. While 2.4 GHz is better passing through walls, it can get crowded due to various wireless devices using the same frequency. Switching to 5 GHz provides faster speeds and better reliability, especially if you are playing online games. Connect to your router's 5G signal for an improved experience. The position of your router matters, so make sure you place the router or modem in an optimal location to enhance range and stability. Make sure to avoid obstructions like thick walls or wire mesh inside walls. Experiment with different positions to find the best spot for a strong signal. Method 4. Run a connection test. You can also perform an internet connection test on your Nintendo Switch when you get the server communication error. To do that, from the home menu, select the system settings icon. Scroll down to Internet and choose Test Connection. The test will begin immediately and the results will indicate if your console is successfully connected to Nintendo's services. Method 5. Reconnect to the Internet. Sometimes, due to an unstable network connection, you may have a problem while downloading an app or game on your Nintendo Switch. So remove and re-add the internet connection on your Nintendo Switch. To do so, open the system settings of your Nintendo Switch. Then choose the Internet option. Click on Internet Settings and then choose the network you are using. Then select Clear Settings. Then delete settings and confirm your action if asked. Wait for a few minutes and then add the Wi-Fi connection back. Method 6. Try a different connection. You can also shift to a different network and see if that works for you. If you have access to a different Wi-Fi connection, then switch to that. You can also choose an Ethernet connection as it ensures a more stable connection. Also, make sure the Ethernet cable is properly connected and there is no loose connection. You can disconnect your Ethernet cable from all the sources and connect it to some other device on another internet connection to check it. Method 7. Turn on and turn off the airplane mode. Open the Nintendo settings and search for the airplane mode option. Turn on the airplane or flight mode and wait for a few minutes. Then disable the airplane mode and begin your download process. Check if this could fix the problem. Method 8. Disable sleep mode. Sometimes Nintendo Switch cannot connect to the Nintendo servers, so shows you these kind of errors. It happens if the Nintendo Switch goes to sleep mode. So, disable the sleep mode and this can also solve the problem. To do that, select the Sleep Mode tab from System Settings. Choose Auto Sleep and the Never option. Method 9. Change DNS settings. Open Nintendo Switch settings and go to the Internet tab. Click on Internet settings and then select your Wi-Fi service. Click on Change Settings. Then select DNS settings. Change it to the manual option. Send the primary DNS value to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Save your changes and restart your Nintendo Switch. Now check if you are getting any errors. And there you have it. The methods to fix a server communication has occurred Nintendo Switch error. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.